Hello, my dear student. I'm your class teacher. I'm preparing this video especially for you. Already I have given one assignment to you. So now I'm trying to solve all assignment problems so that you can verify your solution one by one. Okay. Please check my first question from assignment. Question number 1. Question number 1. What about your question number 1? Write down the formula for distance between 2 points. What about the question? Question is write down the formula for distance between 2 points. So already you know, if you have a x1 and y1 and x2 and y2 be 2 points. Okay, suppose it is A and it is B. Suppose you have it. Then the distance, the distance, the distance between A and B is AB is equals to square root under x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now everyone please check whether you have mentioned this formula correctly, yes or no. Everyone please check question number 1 solution. The distance between 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is this formula. Is it clear? Everyone please check. Everyone please check. Is it clear? Okay. Now I'm writing the solution of question number 2. Everyone please check. Everyone please check. What about the question? Write down the formula to find the area of a triangle whose vertices are x1, x2, y1, y2 and x3, y3. So that means please check carefully. Please check carefully. Suppose this is your triangle. Question number 2 solution. Suppose this is your x1 y1, this is your x2 y2 and this is your x3 y3. Clear? Now we want to find the area of the triangle. If we consider this is A, B and C, the area the area of the triangle ABC is, please write down 1 by 2 modulus x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 mod. Because already you know area means one positive part, that is you can't find any negative area value, so area always in positive. So this is the formula. You may write this notation: area ABC is equals to this. Okay, suppose you have a confusion to write down the formula, how to remember? It's very easy to remember. Please note it down carefully. 1, 2 and 3. Next you can see the suffix 1 2 3, that is 1 2 3, then 2 3 1, 2 3 1 and 3 1 2, 3 1 2. So please remember, a first is x, then within bracket y, that is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Now everyone please check your assignment. whether it is correct or wrong. Everyone, please check your assignment. If it is correct, please, it is okay. If not, please rectify. Everyone, so this is the state answer of question number 2. So I have given the question. Write down the formula. Write down the formula to find the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle whose vertices are x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3. x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3. Suppose if I can consider ABC is a triangle and the vertices are A, B and C, then the area is this formula. Now I think it is clear to everyone. If it is correct, make it, just take a note if it is correct. If not, rectify it. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Thank you. Now come to the question number 3. What about the question number 3? Anyone? Question number 3. Please check carefully. What is the question number 3? Now, what about the write down the condition that two straight lines. What about the question number 3? The question number 3 is write down the condition that straight line y is equals to m1x plus c1 and y is equals to m2x plus c2. Write down the condition that two straight lines y is equals to m1x plus c1 and y is equals to m2x plus c2 are parallel and perpendicular to each other. Parallel and perpendicular to each other. Already you know that. I think it is correct. It is clear to everyone. So what will be the condition for parallel? For parallel. For parallel. So m1 is equals to m2. What is m1? m1 is the slope of the straight line. m1 is the slope of the first straight line. m2 is the slope of the second straight line. Okay, so if first straight line slope and second straight line slope are equal, then only you can say the straight line 1 and the straight line 2 are parallel to each other. Please write down for second. For perpendicular so m1 into m2 should be equals to -1. What does it mean? So first you have to calculate slope of or m1 of first equation and m2 of second equation. If you can see, if you multiply m1 into m2, if your result coming -1, then you can say both lines are perpendicular to each other. Is it clear? Now it is clear to everyone? Okay, very good. Everyone, please check. If anything is wrong, please rectify. Please rectify. Everyone, please check. Now, question number 4. Anyone, please check the question number 4. So, I have given the question number 4. -1, -5 and 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4, you have to identify this point lies in which coordinates. Which coordinates? So already you know there are 4 coordinates you have. Already you know that, correct? So this is the origin, this is x and this is your x dash, it is y and this is your y dash. So from here it is clear, this is your first coordinate, it is your second quadrant, this is your third quadrant, this is your fourth quadrant. Already you know that. So here in this area, so your x value and y value both are plus positive. So here your x value positive and y value negative. Okay, so in this case your x value is negative, y value is positive, and here x value negative, y value negative. Clear? So these are the coordinate position. Now, so if I want to check, now anyone please tell me what will be the position of this. Just you have to check the sign. So here -1, -1, -5. So this is the coordinate. So from here it is clear this should be, this point should be belongs to third quadrant. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear? Everyone please check. Everyone please check. Is it clear? So here this is in third quadrant. So if you want to write Q, sorry, Q U A D R A N T. Okay. Now come to the second. Anyone? Just to check here, it is a positive, negative. Positive, negative. Which part you have? It should be in fourth quadrant. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear? So this is your first quadrant where all values x and y are positive. So this is your second quadrant where x is negative and y is positive. So this is the third quadrant where x negative, y negative. So this is the fourth quadrant where x positive, y negative. Is it clear to everyone? Please check carefully. Clear? If it is correct, no need to rectify. If it is wrong, please rectify and make it correct. Okay. Now question number 4. What about the question number 4? Please read out. Write down the equation of straight line passing through 2 points. So you want to suppose one point is here, that is your, suppose one point is here x1 y1. So another point is here x2 y2. x2 y2. You want to find the equation passing through these 2 points. Okay, so please write down the equation of straight line passing through the points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is, please write down y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. So x minus x1 by x2 minus y1. So this is the formula. So this is the formula to of a straight line which passes through the point x1 y1 and x2 y2. x1 y1 and x2 y2. Is it clear to all of you? I have mentioned something wrong. So question number 4 is over. This is question number 5. Please rectify. This is question number 5. Please check. Is it clear? The equation of straight line passing through the points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is y minus y1 y2 minus y1 is equals to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So this is the formula. Okay. Please check whether whatever you have mentioned, it is correct, similar or not. If not, please rectify. If it is correct, so leave it. Okay, very good. Now switch to next question. Question number 6. What about the question number 6? Write down the equation passing through the point 4,8 and 1,1. What about the question? Question number is, what is question number 6? Write down the equation passing through the point 4,8 and 1,1. Please check the question. please check the question. So first you write down, so please write down the equation of straight line. Please write down the equation of straight line. Equation of straight line passing, the equation of straight line is passing through the points 4, 8 and 1, 1 is, please write down the formula, y minus y1, y2 minus y1, x minus x1, x2 minus x1. So now you write down 4, 8 is equals to x1 y1, 1, 1 is equals to x2 y2. I think it is clear. Now you please tell me what is your x1? X1 equals to 8. What is your y1? Y1 equals to 8. Sorry, x1 is equals to 4 and y1 is equals to 8. X2 is equals to 1, y2 is equals to 1. Just substitute here. That is y minus y1. Y1 is equals to 8. X2 is equals to 1 minus 8 is equals to x minus x1. X minus 4 by x2. 1 minus 4. So from here it is clear. Y minus 8 by minus 7 is equals to x minus 4 by minus 3. Clear? Is it clear? So you can write here answer. So if you have a time, then you can cancel the sign or you may cross multiply this. There is no issue. So if you have a time, then you can extend the calculation like minus minus cancel. That means y minus 8 by 7 is equals to x minus 4 by 3. Okay. Then if you have a time, then only you can continue the calculation. Otherwise you can leave it here. So then you may write 3 y minus 8 is equals to 7 x minus 4. Clear or not? Okay. So here you may write this is your 3y minus 24 is equals to 7x minus 7 Burja 28. So here you may write 3y minus 7x is equals to minus 28 plus 24. So ultimately it is coming 3y minus 7x is equals to minus how much? 4. Okay. So if you have a time, you can calculate up to this. Otherwise, if you can write up to this, is also okay. I think question number 6 is over. Is it clear to all of you? So first you write down your formula, the equation of straight line passing through the 2 points. Formula already you know. Just before to that already I have discussed. Clear? So now you write down first you write down the points x1 y1 and x2 y2. So right now you know what is your x1, what is your x2. Just substitute here and simplify. You will get full marks. Clear? Is it clear to all of you? Please check carefully. Okay, verify it. Whatever the solution you have given, just you verify it. Now, next question is question number 7. Please check. What is your question? Question number 7. What is your question? Question is so that the straight lines are parallel. So you have to show that y is equals to 7x plus 8 and y is equals to 7x minus 7 are parallel to each other. You want to prove it. You want to prove it that this straight line, this and that are parallel to each other. Correct? Then what you do? So already you know, if you want to prove parallel, then what do you do? Y is equals to m1x plus c1 and y is equals to m2x plus c2. If you can see m1 is equals to m2, then only you can say these two straight lines are parallel to each other, correct? So first you write down the solution. How to do that? Very simple. The given straight line given straight lines are, so please write down. So y is equals to 7x plus 8 and y is equals to 7x minus 7. Clear? Is it clear? So now here you write down y is equals to m1x plus c1 and you write down y is equals to m2x plus c2. Now suppose this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3 and this is number 4. Now write down comparing 1 and 3. Now you compare 1 and 3, compare what is your m1. The m1 is the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x here? 7. So you write down m1 is equals to 7. Now again comparing 2 and 4. What is your m2? M2 is the coefficient of x here. What is the coefficient of x? 7. So from here it is clear. Please write down here m1 is equals to m2. Clear? Because both are 7. So please write down hence the given straight lines are parallel to each other. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear? So first you write down first equation and second equation, and just below that line you write down y is equals to m1x plus c1, and similarly you write y is equals to m2x plus c2. Now you write down equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3, equation number 4. Now you comparing equation number 1 and 3, just to compare. So y same as it is you have. So what is the coefficient of x? It is m1. So here m1 is equals to 7. Similarly, you compare 2 and 3, 2 and 4, just to check m2 is equals to 7. So here m1 is equals to m2, both values are same. So conclude the result, hence the given straight lines are parallel to each other. Both straight lines are parallel to each other. Clear? Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear? Okay, very good. Now similarly, now come to the 8 number question. Question number 8. Question number 8 solution. Please check. So now same. I have given two straight line. Just you have to prove it, or you have to show that the straight lines are parallel to each other. Okay. So please write down solution of 8. Correct. Solution of 8. Please write down. The given straight line is, what is your first equation? Please write down 7x plus 5y is equals to 4. Correct. So this is the first equation. Okay. So what is our target? Our target to identify y is equals to m1x plus c1 and y is equals to m2x plus c2 from the second equation. So now you can see this straight line, the given straight line is not similar to that. Then what you do? You have to convert it in terms of that. Then what you do? It's very simple. First you write down 5y is equals to minus 7x plus 4. Is it clear? So when you already know from your class 6 7 that if you want to transform one result on the left side, on the right side of it, your sign will change. So here it is plus, it should be negative. Now your y should be free. So from here you may write y is equals to minus 7x plus 4 by 5. So from here you may write, so from here you write y is equals to minus 7 by 5x plus 4 by 5. So this is number 1. So another equation you have. What is another equation? Y is equals to m1x plus c1. This is number 2. Now if you compare, please write down comparing 1 and 2. So if I compare, so what is your m1 value? Anyone please write down. What is your m1 value? M1 value will be minus 7 by 5. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear? Just to compare, just you can check, if you can go back to the previous calculation. Here the given equation is given in terms of the standard form, but here it is not. So you have to convert as a standard form. So then you have to compare. Okay. So now first m1 is equals to minus 7 by 5. Now you write down another straight line is, what is your second straight line? Please check what is your second straight line. 14x plus 10y is equals to how much? 13. Okay, then what you do? Same process. So first you have to write down 10y is equals to minus 14x plus 13. So from here you may write y is equals to minus 14x plus 13 whole divided by 10. So from here you may write, that is y is equals to minus 14 by 10x plus 13 by 10. Is it clear? So this is number 3. This is number 3. And what is your another equation? Another equation is y is equals to m2x plus c2. This is equation number 4. There is a space issue, so you have to write like this, just back to back. Okay, so now you compare. Now you compare what is your m2 value. Please compare what is your m2 value. What is your m2 value? Anyone? Please write in chat box. What is your m2 value? M2 value is equals to minus 14 by 10. So please write down in next slide. So M2 is equals to minus 14 by 10. So already you know it can be cancelled, correct? M2 is equals to minus 7 by 5, because 7 to the 4 and 5 to the, so m2 is equals to this. Now what is your m1? M1 is equals to 7 by minus 7 by 5. What is your m2? Also minus 7 by 5. So please write down here m1 is equals to m2. Hence the given lines are parallel to each other. Is it clear? Question number 8 is clear. Is it clear to all of you? Good, very good. Okay, so if any issue regarding the calculation, you rewind the topic again and again to check the solution. Please verify it. Okay, I think it is clear. Just you have to identify M1 and M2. So already you know in case of question number 9. Now question number 8 is over. Question number 9. Question number 9 and question number 10 are same. Question number 9 and question number 10 are same. You have to prove it that these two given two straight lines are perpendicular to each other. Two straight lines are perpendicular to each other. Correct? Okay. Now question number solution of 9. Okay, so please write down question number 9. Question number 9. Please read out the question so that the straight lines 4x plus 5y 4x plus 5y is equals to 4 and 5x minus 4y is equals to 7 are perpendicular to each other. So this is the question number 9. So please write down same process. The given straight line is, what is your first straight line? What is your first straight line? First straight line is 4x plus how much? 4x plus 5y, na? 4x plus 5y is equals to how much? 4. So same process, what is our target? Our target to reduce into this form, y is equals to m1x plus c1, isn't it? So please write down. So from here you may write 5y is equals to minus 4x plus 4. So from here you may write, so y is equals to minus 4x plus 4 by 5. That means, so y is equals to minus 4 by 5x plus 4 by 5. This is number 1. So and you write down y is equals to m1x plus c1. This is number 2. So please write down comparing 1 and 2. Comparing 1 and 2, we get m1 is equals to minus 4 by 5. Everyone please check. Everyone please check. Y is equal, m1 is equals to this. Clear? Okay. Please check. Another equation, another straight line equation. The another straight line equation is, what is your second equation? Second equation is 5x minus 4y is equals to how much? 7. So from here you may write minus 4y is equals to minus 5x plus 7. So from here you may write y is equals to minus 5x plus 7 by minus 4. Clear? Is it okay? What is the coefficient you have? You write as it is. Correct? Now you write down. So if I can write the next, so y is equals to minus how much you have? 5x plus 7 by minus 4. So from here you may write minus 5x by minus 4 plus 7 by minus 4. Ultimately it is coming y is equals to 5 by 4x minus 7 by 4. This is number 2. And so you write down y is equals to m2x plus c2. This is number, sorry, this is 3 and this is 4. Okay, so because in previous 1 and 2 already have taken, this is number 3 and this is number 4. Please write down comparing 3 and 4 we get. So m2 is equals to 5 by 4. Everyone please check whether it is coming or not, because m2 is the coefficient of x. Here coefficient of x is equals to 5 by 4. What about your m1? What about your m1? m1 is equals to minus 4 by 5. What is your m2? 5 by 4. So please write down now. Now, so what is your m1? m1 is equals to minus 4 by 5. So here both are different, but you may check m1 m2. So m1 is equals to minus 4 by 5, and m2 is equals to, and m2 is equals to 5 by 4. Basically 5 cancel, 4 cancel. What is coming? Is equals to minus 1. So already you know, if m1 m2 multiplication is coming minus 1, then you can say both straight lines are perpendicular to each other. So please write down, hence the given straight lines, hence the given straight lines are perpendicular to each other. Clear? So first you have to identify what is your m1, what is your m2, what is your m3, and so on. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear to everyone how to decide whether these two lines are perpendicular to each other or not? I think similarly you can calculate question number 10 also. Question number 10. Okay, question number 10 you can solve same. I have given two straight lines separately. You have to identify same process, m1 and m2, and prove that these straight lines are perpendicular to each other. That means your m1 m2, when you multiply both m1 m2, your result will be minus 1. Okay, so I think question number 10 you can solve. Process are clear to everyone? So please write a comments on chat. Okay, now solution of 11. Solution 11. Now you want to find what about the question? What about the question? First, this question is a little bit different. So please write down, find the length of three sides of a triangle whose vertices are 1 1 1 1 4 0 and 2 2. Clear? This is the question. So you want to find the length of the three sides of the triangle whose vertices are this. So try to understand the solution. So if I can draw the figure, so this is the triangle, that is A, this is B and C. Suppose here it is 1 comma 1, here it is 4 comma 0, and here it is 2 comma 2. So we want to find the length A, length B, length C. So please write down, let A 1 comma 1 is equals to, you may write x1 y1, B what is your B, 4 comma 0, x2 y2. What is C? C 2 comma 2, that is x3 y3. Okay, so now you know x1 x2 y1 y2 and x3 y3. Now if you want to find AB, now you already know how to calculate the by using distance formula. So here please write down length length AB is equals to root under. Now just to check A x1 y1, B x2 y2. So here you want to calculate AB. So it should be x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Clear? So which one is coming last? So first that variable should be at first. So what is your x1? Already you know, that is 4 minus 1 whole square plus y2. What is your y2? Y2 is 0 minus 1 whole square. Clear? Clear? So here it is coming root under 3 square, that is 3 square plus 1 square minus 1 square, minus 1 square is equals to 1, minus 1 square 0 minus 1 minus 1 square means 1. So ultimately it is coming 3 square means 9 plus 1 10. So this is the length of AB. Clear? Now we want to consider once again. So I think it is clear how to calculate. Is it clear now? So we have considered both once again. Okay, so now, so our first calculation is over, AB is over. Now we want to calculate BC, correct? So please write down BC. So BC is equals to, now again you should write what is your BC. B is x2 y2 and what is C? x3 y3, isn't it? x3 y3. So BC will be root under x3 minus, sorry, x3 minus x2 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square. So please check why I am writing x3 at first. Is very simple. BC you want to calculate, so you have to write x3 at first, x3 minus x2. So now you know what is your x3 and what is your x2. So from here you may write x3 means 2 and what is your x2 is equals to 4 whole square. What is your y3? Y3 is equals to 2 minus 0 whole square. So ultimately it is coming minus 2 whole square plus 2 square. So from here it is coming 4 plus 4 is equals to root under 8. Is it clear? So no need to memorize anything regarding this, which one will be the first, which one will be the last. Just you have to write BC, correct? B and C. So first you write down B and C and with coordinates, then you check which one is coming last. So that part should be coming first. Okay, now you want to, so AB is over, BC is over and CA. So now you want to calculate the CA. Same process. Then again you have a CA means x3 y3 and A x1 y1, correct? So you may write x1 minus x3 whole square plus y1 minus y3 whole square. So from here it is clear what is your x1 and what is your x3. So what is your x1? X1 is equals to 1. What is your x3? X3 is equals to 2 whole square plus what is your y1? Y1 is equals to 1. What is your y2? Y3? Y3 is equals to 2. Square it. So from here it is clear that 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square. So minus into minus, that is plus 1. So from here you may write 1 plus 1, that is root under 2. Okay, so now you know all length. So please write down, therefore lengths LENGTH, lengths are AB. AB is equals to how much? AB is equals to root under 10. Okay, root under 10. What is your BC? BC is equals to root under 8. What is your CA? CA is equals to root under 2. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear? Okay. So I think now I think it is clear to everyone. You should practice as well as you should write down. You have to submit the assignment in time. Just you have to check it. Okay. Question number 12. Question number 12 and this question same. This is question number 11. Correct. This is question number 11 solution. So question number 12 is just I have replaced the data. So similarly, if you can follow it, you automatically you can find the question number 12 solution. Okay. So just you have to practice those questions carefully. Okay. Bye. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel to get latest video. Thank you. Thank you, my dear student.